I have a special announcement today in regards to Patreon and to a new product that would be released soon until the end of November 2024. And this is new and old at the same time because you are used to, the ones who follow me since longer. It's about the yearly forecast for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So I would stick to these three that I would finish until the end of November. They will be available this time as a bundle, but also as different yearly reports, depending on what you are interested in. And I would like to say that, as mentioned, all Patreon subscribers will have rebate until the end of 2024, and these rebates will be available also for for these products, for this new report that I will publish. I will really propagate this once I am ready. You will get the written calendar, but also video explanations on how to interpret it and the major astrology of the year. I'm also glad that I will be able to share also some new insights from the new research that I have in regards to the evolution of price during the year, and this will be included as well in the report. I offer 10% rebate for silver tier members, and we have 20% rebate for the gold and platinum tier members. So join, and you will have this after at least 3 months of membership, and I hope this will be interesting for you. And in terms of discounts, you will get your individual one once you express your interest in it. So please approach me on Patreon for the members, and the new ones I would recommend to do the same. Thank you. Greetings, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and welcome to this week's update for October 7th, October 13th, for the financial markets in general and Bitcoin in particular. We will go into details for members in regards to all the daily influences, calendar-based for the next week. Now, I filmed this on the 3rd of October, immediately after the solar eclipse that we had on the 2nd of October UTC time zone, and this is really an eclipse that traded most range bound, I would say. We see that we have high fluctuations. It is really a constant up and down. We do have also the fact that two big important planets are stationary. So Jupiter is stationary, and it will turn retrograde on the 9th of October this month. This is a big event, and Pluto will turn direct on the 12th of October. Taking this into account, let's see what can we expect from the global astrology and Bitcoin this week. I would like to talk about the global Astro at first, then about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, and a word about altcoin as well. And let's start with the global astrology. As mentioned, we will have turning points, and I really hope that the price action will really take off before these dates, which are the 9th of October for Jupiter and the 12th of October for Pluto. And the 3 days in between could be really, again, a lot of consolidation there based on what I see currently for the price action. And this is also due to the fact that Jupiter will go retrograde and Pluto will turn direct. So this means that there are opposite forces here in a way, and therefore we we do see this consolidation. We do have also a lot of positive aspects that I didn't see them manifested in this week, including the day of the eclipse and also on the 3rd, 4th and 5th of October especially. And these aspects are quite strong, even if they are by quicker moving planets. And this is really to consider because they will have an orb of influence of 10 days, so they can happen also 10 days before they are exact, which will bring us in this week. So hopefully we will see some of them manifested as well, because the dumps were manifested. We had quite a lot of dumps. For example, in the weekend, last weekend, we had 4 mid-intensity negative aspects during the weekend, and they were all manifested. And on top we had some other low-intensity aspects which were red, and some fires that were at hourly level. And we see these, all of them, like it's like all the negative is manifested. But then if everything is delayed, then this means that the positive can be manifested as well. On the 12th of October, we do have the main event of the week, which is not only about Pluto turning direct, but I want to start with the good news. This is a Jupiter sextile Chiron aspect in the sky, which is positive in general, and it should really lead to successful retest of previous levels and to go up, basically. That would be the message. And on the 8th, we also have a positive global astrology, which is about a Venus trine Mars and then a Mercury trine Jupiter, which are not to be neglected. They happen both on the same day. So we can see also a movement from the 8th, hopefully. This planets with their stations would not really lock us in this price range that we currently see. So these are basically good news, and yes, we will continue to have volatility and some negative aspects as well. And now I would like also to talk a bit about the main days for Bitcoin and what we can expect. Bitcoin will have a volatile week, and these are mixed days actually, but we do have some good news. Basically, we have an alignment with the global astrology on the 8th, with Venus trining Uranus in the natal chart. And then the next day, on the 9th of October, we have Mars trining Uranus, which are both very good news because they happen also when the positive astrology, the global astrology, is also quite strong. Again, during the day, we do have volatility, we will have corrections, so don't really expect a rocket ship. And also on the 12th, in the global astrology, we do have the Jupiter Chiron influence, which is quite powerful, positive. I would say this is active the whole week. And we do have for Bitcoin on the 11th a Venus-Saturn sextile, which is quite good. But we will also have a Venus square Neptune afterwards. So the end of the week would be a bit more controversial, so to speak, more positivity in the first part of the week in any case, I would say, to be honest. And in the weekend, it is to be seen what would be the transaction volume, how much can we see from this astrology. And of course, for sure, some of it will be carried forward into the next week on Monday. Thank you for your attention and for liking and subscribing. I appreciate it. It helps the channel. And until next time, be joyful. Now I continue for the members with the detailed forecast for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins on the financial calendar. Thank you.